What's up, everyone? Today is Sunday. We just ended an amazing week. Great for work, beautiful weather, a little bit windy, but what it is. Had an amazing motorcycle ride yesterday. It was about 2 hours long. I think I'm going to do that on a separate video. So now today we got to cook. I'm going to kind of show you what we cook each week, and then I got to go take my solar panels apart or off the brackets and recaulk them. Then I got to build a shelf for my fan and drill a hole to rerun my Starlink cable. So it's gonna be a busy day today. I'm always staying busy. So, but everything's going great so far. Check out the dogs. Oh, sorry. My little thing's not tight. A buddy, Lucy, Angel, Tully does not let me in on the camera, Ellie, and Leroy. And I gotta clean this place up today. It's just it's a mess. You can see all this crap's gotta be cleaned up. I've already cleaned all this whole area right here up. But anyway, starting out, I normally cook chicken and rice on Sundays. And my version of chicken and rice is like, I just now started marinating it. So this right here is a Caribbean style jerk. And I'll add mushrooms and jalapenos and rice and canned tomatoes and all kind of shit in this right here. And it'll last me almost all week long. But for the last few weeks, I've been cooking some salsa, or making some salsa. And that's what we're about to do as well. So I'll video that as well. I got this recipe from, I think his name is Arnie Tex on YouTube, but obviously I've changed it up a little bit, so I'll show you that as well. All right. I don't know if you can see or not, but the actual recipe calls for, it's under the YouTube channel Arnie Tex. And the name of the video is the best Mexican restaurant salsa roja recipe. But the ingredients, I can find it. His ingredients is 5 Roma tomatoes, 5 serrano peppers, a handful of cilantro, which I got 2 handfuls. I love cilantro. 1/4 to 1/3 onion, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, and 3 canned chipotle peppers and adobe sauce. I've never had serrano peppers until a few weeks ago, and thankfully when I was checking out, and I love everything hot. I was telling the lady what I was doing, and she said, be careful with the serrano peppers because they're extremely hot, and sure enough, he's calling for 5. I put 1 in there and it was almost too hot, you know. So I didn't even get any serrano peppers this year, or this time. I don't know why I said this year, but I may have some jalapenos up there. But that's what his recipe calls for, but I'll change it up a little bit. So I'll put these in there. I only have 1 can of jalapenos. I thought I was grabbing jalapenos, but evidently I can't read, so I grabbed the chilies. I've never even had these before, so, but I'm gonna add them. This here, separately, is what I will be adding to my chicken and rice. That, the mushrooms, and hell, I'll throw some corn in there. I don't give a shit. And I'm actually gonna do 2 cans of diced tomatoes in my chicken. Got that Caribbean jerk, boy. It smells good. I got this right. I've been using this. I got this when I was in Alaska, believe it or not. I can't find them anymore. It's done melted and cracked and everything else, but it's pretty cool. See or not. I'm having to bend over because I got this damn I built this ramp for my dogs, so I got that in the way, but it's all good. Can't really see if you can see or not, but we'll set this to the side here. Put this up here so I won't, and then just like you're just freaking dicing them up best way you can. I'm not a cook, so all the chefs out there, be easy on me. I can live off of salsa, so just saying. Let's see, cut a little bit better. Ain't no room in here. I'm spilling everything everywhere. There we go. The beginning of some good old salsa. That's my little snack of the week. And it's pretty healthy. And I love tomatoes. I love everything tomatoes. You ain't getting away with it. Normally I'd wash these, but not today. I'm just gonna go and chop them up and go with it. Chop them up and pray. Oh yeah. Cilantro heavy, baby. Like I said, I'm gonna do some more chopping once I get it in there as well. Get that done. Jalapenos. These are already chopped up too. It's pretty cool. Now, see what these green chilies are. I know I've eaten these before, but not exactly like this. Oh, it smells pretty good. I'll try one. I'm not gonna put two in there, but I'll try one. See how that works out. Got it boiling right now. It's good. This thing's bad about burning. I'm sure it's operator error. I'm gonna set these in there and stir it around a little bit and do one more hit on the saute, and I'll drain this water juice. Yeah, I'm on the edge here, so that's why I'm trying to be careful. I won't have the corn and tomatoes until the end. I also don't want to burn anything. I'll just go ahead on and start chopping here. I don't want to chop too hard. I don't want to bust that bottom, which I don't think I will, because the blade's not that sharp. It's looking good. I don't have any Tostitos. All I got is Doritos, so it's gonna have to work. I'll put an extra taste into it. Oh yeah, almost there. Oh, she's getting thick now, thicker than a Snicker. See what we got. Buddy. make you want to slap your mama. I'm gonna put just a tad more salt in there. Just a tad. It's almost there. Man, this stuff right here is dangerous. So you see how simple it is. Just tomatoes, salt, cilantro, and I put some jalapenos. And this time I put some green chilies in there, but you didn't have to do the green chilies. But and those jalapenos aren't the hot jalapenos. You can actually taste it. Mother, I know, it's that good, ain't it? Man. Oh yeah. It's thick. One more. One more. And I gotta clean up. We take that. Sucker. Man. So what I do here is I'll drain this juice and I'll let the juice cool down. And this evening when I give my dogs the dog food, I'll pour that juice into their dog food. That way they got a better meal instead of just plain dog food. Man, that's good looking juice. Now it's gonna cook better. Should have waited to put the mushrooms in though, because all the mushrooms came out. Not too many. Not bad at all. Right now, get the corn in there. Tomatoes. More tomatoes. I'll let it cook one more time, then I'll add the rice, and we'll be good to go. Don't let her take that. Ellie, get it. Get it, Ellie. Get it, Ellie. Get it. Get it. Get it, girl.